Hey guys, Costco. Ay, ang daming tao. Ito yung nabili namin. It's the same thing, I think so.
No, I'm just saying they only have that.
Ito yung nabili na namin guys. Sabi namin hindi kami bibili ng marami. You said we're not gonna buy a lot. Let's get Nutella. Here, put it there. Cereal. Pero guys, ang ending. Because when you're at Costco, you cannot come here.
This,
Yeah, without spending a lot. Especially siya. Mahilig siyang maggrocery sa Costco. Pagkatapos pala dito, pupunta kami sa, matulang tayo dito na area. Pupunta kami, kakain siguro kami sa labas. And then, mag-W spoon kami. Nakabili pala ako ng lumpia. Where's the lumpia? Oh, did I bet? Oh no, I did not get it. It's okay. Rice, don't forget, and some chips. Quaker Oats.
5-pound bag.
Ang ganda lang kasi dito sa Costco dahil ang lahat wholesale. Tara, 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 tara. Diba? Puro mga wholesale. In one box, marami na siyang laman. Like this. See, ilang packets din to. 1,000 packets. Careful, hon. See, puro mga wholesale dito. At saka mas mura siya dito compare sa ibang store. So, let's go, guys. Bili tayo nitong chips. Oh my God, babe, what are we doing?
You're the one. You're like putting off changes.
You're the one. Don't forget my rice, honey. Bili tayo ng what? Organic chia butter
Coconut oil.
for my...
Scalp.
Ay, don't say it loud. Bigas, guys. Bili tayo ng bigas. Yeah, I still have a lot of those. Bili tayo ng bigas kasi bigas is life. Hindi pwedeng wala tayong bigas. Dahil yun lang ang nagpapabusog sa atin. Kahit konting rice lang, that's good na. Then after nito, Asian store real quick and then kain tayo sa labas. Let's go. Finally the rice. Because rice is life. Oh, perfect. Dito. $24.99. This one is $25.99. Because this one smells good. And it's so soft.
So now you cost double the money.
No, it's not that because the cheap one is actually hard the next day. But the jasmine one was good plus it's still so soft. Kaya ko siya binibili. Kasi nagtanong siya. Bakit daw mas mahal ang pinipili ko kumpara sa mas mura?
What about this stuff?
Grabe siya. Siya. Naka-car wash na kami guys. So tapos na kami sa Costco. Hindi na nga pala kami.
Drop something.
Oh no, yeah. Oh yeah, it's like oh no. Hindi na pala kami kakain sa labas because my husband is full. Tapos ako din naman, I'm not that hungry.
I'm on diet.
So it's a waste of money kung pupunta kami sa buffet, di ba? Anyway, marami-rami na ang tao guys. Ayan.
Yeah, that's too much money.
Marami-rami na ang tao sa
It's
Costco.
good if you plan it, but I gotta not eat in the breakfast if you wanna.
Yeah, kasi kumain siya ng breakfast and then he's still full. Tapos magbabayad kami ng malaki. Tapos hindi naman pala makakakain ng bongga.
Costco.
Anyway, kapag pumunta ka sa Costco ng maaga, especially when you have executive Costco card, then you're allowed to get in at 8 o'clock in the morning? Or 9? 9 in the morning. Tapos, yung hindi ka naman member ng executive, then 10 pa. Kaya yung iba, nakapila pa, nag-antay pa.
9 in the morning is better.
Moving supplies. Anyway guys, pauwi na kami guys. So,
Clear. 12 o'clock. I like Debbie's spoon, but it's gotta be. It's hard. Love the Lord God with all your heart, with all your mind, and all your soul. And to love others, your neighbors, as yourself.
Bahay na kami na hubby. So, we already did put all the stuff away kasi syempre may mga cold stuff. And then, pipick upin na niya si Gabriel. Kasi nga, maaga sila ngayon dahil nga it's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday nga pala sa inyong lahat mga guys. So, today is February 25. Ang bilis ng panahon. Grabe. It's like yesterday lang. It's like yesterday lang yung Christmas. Pero ngayon, grabe. Ang ano na, napaka bilis ng panahon. Times goes by so quick. Ang laki na ng mga anak ko. It's crazy. Tumatanda na ako. Ang asawa ko. Ganyan siya guys. Mga chicken siya. At saka tinapay sa labas. Grabe lang calories nito, but that's okay. Kain. Dito na mga kiddos guys. Kuya ayan. Naglalaro. And then ito naman ang aking prinsesa. Naka-relax lang watching TV. Hi.
Hi.
Ganda yan. Oh really? Guys. Nagpapuzzle sila dito. Tingnan niyo yung decoration is still there. Hindi pa sila tapos. Yan. Hello. Yan. Anyway. May ano dun sa likod namin guys, oh. May nagtatrabaho. My husband and Gabriel. They're working right now on the back. Kagigising ko lang, inag-nap ako. It's so windy. Ayan. Sa laki naman kasi ng backyard namin guys, kailangan i-maintain. Hi! Kasi para yung mga damo kasi guys, medyo maubos ba. Kasi 'di ba, as you can see, sobrang green na kasi grabe yung ulan dito sa amin. Kaya they're working on it. Ayun. I don't know if they can see me. They're so busy. Hello! Gabriel! Baba na siya. Hey! Good job, Gabe! Okay. Sirang-sira na talaga tong trampoline na ito. Oh. Kailangan itong hindi naman itapon. Ba, tanggalin na siguro tong net. Papalitan lang ng iba. What a mess sa aming backyard, guys. Anyway. Yes. Hello. You're helping your daddy? Here, just leave it here. It's fine. Good job, boy.
It's my old
I know.
rusty gun.
Okay, good luck working. Tinutulungan niya yung dad niya na tanggal ng mga weeds doon using the truck. Kasi nga may nilagay si asawa ko sa likod ng truck para lang ano po sabihin niya guys? Basta para madrag yung para matanggal yung mga dahon. Anyway, magluluto na tayo ng dinner guys. Let's go. Luto ng ating asparagus guys. As you notice, ginagamit ko yung ating phone dahil tinamad akong gumamit ng camera. Ito na, asparagus. Partner sa adobo. Tapos gawan ko na lang mga bata ng sausage. Ayan o. Pritohin.